Flash flood warning.
God created the world. And that chapter was an exposition on the universe. Caused by heavy rains. Source: train spotters reported discussion impact of that flooding of creeks and streams. Urban areas. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly and I've never tired.
Increasing presidential.
Republic, Mays Landing,
Life-threatening flash flood.
At 1:39 p.m., train weather spotters reported heavy rain in central rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Hazard
For the Philadelphia Metropolitan
caused by heavy rain.
A chance of showers with a slight.
Flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways,
Flash flood warning. Cumberland County, New Jersey.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for
Central Cumberland County in southern New Jersey until 7 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicating thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the world area. Between 2 and 3 meters in North the expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin.
That's WKVP.
Small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other dangerous
Delaware Bay
areas.
at 10 a.m.
Sections along the southern border. It was called Seagate Point.
Background when encountering flooded roads. Source:
2023 by the Biden.
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets. Locations that may experience flash flooding include turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Alright, we're gonna get the end of WHWH. That's the wrong station. Yeah, it's open.
Until 8:15 p.m.
Flash flood warning for Kent.
4:15
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash
flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash.
Oxford as
Okay, I guess not.
The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flood.
Kent County and central Delaware until 8:15 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain.
storm expected to begin shortly. Hazard flash flooding caused by
Weather
the
service
storm.
forecast for the lower Delaware Valley.
Radar. Impact flooding of small creeks and streams. Urban areas from highways.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Rising Sunshine Limited, Dover Speedway, Wyoming, 10 acres, Highland Acres, and Rodney Village.
Second and third of June.